that.
Say hi to them.
They're singing.
And more horses.
Look at all the cows.
Look at all the horses.
Around in a circle.
Here they come.
Well, because they see the horses. That's weird. Why do they do that?
Really?
Yes.
They're coming away. The horses getting out of the way.
Look what they call the steers and steer
They're
They've got their horns.
That's what I mean, they're all steers. The reason they have horns is so they can grab up and keep them down.
So that the boy cows have the horns.
So the cowboys have
I know
something
that,
to
but do they usually cut them off or do they do a cow?
They usually cut them off.
That's weird. How did they get them to go around in a circle?
Oh no.
What, Mommy? What?
Look at that one little boy on the horse, all by himself.
Where?
You see him in the red coat? It's in the back.
Oh, there's Justin.
Justin who?
Justin Mills, the Nile guy.
Oh, yeah?
Mhm.
There he is.
He's in the back. That might be one of his kids.
I'm getting her right.
You see how they make him stand? Go down.
See? Are the cows? Here they are. Oh, there's the little boy.
So weird. They made him go running.
This is Justin in the pad.
How does he know how to ride a horse?
Hey, how are ya? Good.
How does he know how to ride a horse?
It's a pretty horse.
Who?
That
I think it might be his kid.
Oh, his
I didn't pay
little mane is
attention.
shaved. Look at these horses are going to do a trick, you guys.
They are black.
Say hi, Tom.
Good morning.
Oh, yeah.
Now, these must be horses that do some real tricks.
There, see a horses?
They can show up.
They're winning! Horses aren't supposed to win.
Look at the little pony thing.
Miniature horse. That's a full-grown horse, Tori. To get that big. Isn't that funny?
Look it! I'm still riding on the other one.
So cute.
Let's have a run in that thing. The run part. Whoa, that one's This is the boy's money?
Yeah, full-grown.
This is the
And
boy.
here comes another miniature horse. Look at that little girl or boy riding it. Little black one.
This girl riding on that horse. Oh, cute. It's connected to the collar.
Well, it's connected to it so it doesn't get away.
It's all tied up. Look at the girl riding a horse. There's a little girl. They're all tied together? Candy. Candy. Here they come. saw the parade.
The girl in the red one up there will run very high. This one right here. Look at, she just barely goes under the horn. It's out of it. Huh? What?
Pretty young horse to shoot on the girls.
Say hi.
Hi. Look at
Get some candy.
Candy! Candy! They got us candy. Here you go.
There you go.
That was
Cute.